Hello, it's Mr. Awesome here. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, etc. and all that stuff. It's a new project time. This one is called Frankestein's Pet. Frank Eastine has found some animal parts online and then has decided to make his own peculiar pet from them. Ew, now that's creepy. Your drawing mission today is using the parts provided to make your very own Frank Eastine pet. Now, if you look closely here, you can see the official spare parts animal store. Frank has kindly lent you a whole $50 to make your very own creation. If you want an example, I have drawn my very own creature from these parts. You may pick and choose to come up with the most weirdest creature known to man. Remember that you only have $50 to spend. If this is too hard, we can do easy mode, which means you can spend as much as you want and use all the parts if you like. I can't wait to see your creation. Sorry, what did you say? Oh, you want me to draw the hideous creature? Well, okay then. Here I go. Sit back, grab a hot drink, and relax. So as promised, I am going to draw this stitched up, hideous creature of the night. And you will find the step-by-step worksheets in your folder so you can practice later on with. So I'm going to sketch in the entire grotesque body. I've also got my budget on unlimited so I can buy and attach whatever I like. If you are pretty short on ideas, why not have research animals on the internet with a parent, of course, and search for some inspiration. So there you have it. Go have a stretch and a push-up. Good stuff. And now the fun stuff. Details. Okay, good stuff. That's your lesson all finished. Go ahead and start your project. We will all be waiting here for your grotesque masterpiece, waiting by the email box, waiting quietly. So hurry up. This is Mr. Awesome signing off.